Put a dip net under
I was
that.
gonna say, yeah.
Holy smoke.
him in the
Yeah,
boat.
there you go.
Hey.
Bring him in like you know what you're doing. Woo!
That.
Yeah.
That wasn't crazy.
You want some help?
Yeah, I'll need help with that. Oop. Yeah, let me hold
Look
this.
at
Yep.
Judy go.
Spotted him. I drew him out for you.
Yeah.
You made the right pass. Got him. Good.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's
Oh,
right
I
around
have
that.
it really
About that same size at 13, 14.
Yeah.
There we go.
There we go.
Cool.
Judy's done it.
Ha.
Yeah.
Deal.
Good fish.
Biggest one.
How'd you catch that?
Ned rig?
Ned rig. And when they bite, you jerk, right?
That's right.
That's right. All right. Way to go.
Ready?
Yep.
All right. Yeah, this is the fluff I was thinking of, not that one.
Back-to-back smallmouth. Catching them on the Ned rig.
So that I'm looking at that next
Yep.
one down. That is the one
There.
that
All
I
right.
prefer to fish. So.
There we go. Good job.